Look at you, now look at us. All my niggas look rich as fuck. All my niggas live rich as fuck.
Where are you? I'm on south. Where are you?
East. Oh.
Going for this kid.
Back Valley, east side.
Going for this kid. Going for Mackle. Killing Mackle.
Okay.
Okay, dude. I didn't kill him, but I wrecked him pretty hard.
Okay, I'm getting chased on west side of Alien.
West?
And there's oh, man, fucking shit. Yeah.
Don't-
Oh, behind you.
Find me?
Yeah, I need to get get the zombies off me. And there's a guy coming around. Fucking grappling, bitch.
Get him.
Oh, fucking.
Got him. Got him off you. He's dead. He's dead. Hit him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Got him. GG. Dude, I just killed 3!
There's fucking more.
I know, but they're horrible. Oh! No! Don't go in! Which one? Which one? Go for Lillian. Did you record the whole thing? Get him. One more hit. One more hit. Yes. Help! Get that zombie off me.
Oh my god. He's down. Run.
Yes. We did it. I didn't record the part where I wrecked. Oh my god! Oh, who's that? Oh, do you have any extra pots?
No, I don't.
Oh, fuck. Oh my god! Oh my, I have so much food! Trevor!
Fuck that.
Damage decreaser! They're calling me out on damage decreaser, dude. At the beginning, I killed TV Timmy, Cammy, I killed Mackle, you killed Big Daddy Bull, you killed I killed Lily. 2v6!